Hey, ProTinkerToys.com. This is ProTinkerToys.com. We're doing another video on Scalectric. Okay, so you've seen I did a video back about Scalectric and how Scalectric is kind of SCX and SCX is kind of Scalectric and blah, blah, blah. And there's two different companies because one's British and one's Spanish. Okay, so in the 90s, Scalectric Hornby came to the United States, okay, and by Irwin Toy, and I used to work for Irwin Toy back in the 90s, and they came out with, it was called Super Slots outside of, or in Spain. So some of the cars were named Super Slots, but this is their product that they made in the 90s. And you could tell, I mean, there's a big difference. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that these are Scalectric Hornby cars from the 90s. And this is a car that we have listed, and also the other one, that are literally indestructible. It's amazing how they made these back in the 90s. That, I mean, they were very inexpensive, but they lasted forever because they were just basic. All right, so this is the Opal, the white Opal, that is just basic. It's just a basic car, basic motor, and it just ran. I mean, you could run that, kids could run this forever, okay, and it wouldn't, this is the guide pin, so let's put a guide pin on this. Now, see, they have a prong system kind of like SCX did, but they got away with that. Okay, so that kind of mirrors that, but it's still direct wired right to that, and then right to the guide pin. And then this is the Take Fuji, okay, and this is the car, again, a direct wire right to the motor, guide pin and everything. And these are just great cars. There's not a lot to them. There's one magnet here, but it wasn't a very high powered magnet. And these came out in the mid 90s, 95, 96. With Irwin, we had a set with these two, a yellow and a red one, okay, and I just wanted to kind of show you what the low-end Scalectric cars. Now, the new Hornby cars, Scalectric, are completely different than this. This was the cars that were made in the 90s. Remember, these were made in the 90s. You had your Opal and the Take Fuji, and these are available at ProTinkerToys.com, or you can buy right here on eBay, or right here on YouTube. Okay, just send me a text. Okay, these are great, just starter cars. All right, for kids that you just want to run forever, or like scouting. You want to teach scouting how to race. You know, you could take these cars apart and they have to build them. Okay, so that's what's really cool about these cars. Okay, so this is Scalectric. Or Super Slots inside of Spain, because these cars were called Super Slots in Spain. I hope that's not confusing. I know it is. I know it sounds confusing, but that's the way it is. So this is ProTinker, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like us, link us, and all sorts of stuff. And have a great day. Bye.